Principal Secretary for Gender, Children, Social Welfare and Disabilities, Dr. Mary Shower. Special Representative of the UN Secretary General, UNICEF Country Representative, Mr. Mahimbo Ndoe, my Lord, Honorable Justice Square, the District Commissioner from Kingi, the Paramount Chief, Paramount Kyungu, and all other chiefs present here. All representatives of the government and non-governmental organizations present here. The Honorable Member of Parliament, Honorable Kangila Banda, MP, members of the press, members of the Great, we have got the Sheikh and other press members here, members of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Let me first of all thank you so much for inviting me here on this very important function. Let me also join the Sheikh on his prayer by thanking God that has made this day possible. Therefore, the Principal Secretary, all members present here, it gives me great pleasure this afternoon to stand before you here at the Kingi Community Ground to join my colleagues in making few remarks as we launch study report and the response plan on violence against children. This has been extended to violence against young women and even women, and not forgetting the albinos, as we have heard that we have this problem in the country. This includes everybody, every Malawian, every national who is a citizen in this country. The findings are very essential to Malawi as a country, but also to the police in specific. Ladies and gentlemen, let me on the onset point out that as a country, we are grappling with violation of rights of children as evidenced by registered cases of defilement, abduction, trafficking, that is human trafficking, and rape. Where still there is a persistent silence on the side of members of the community to give tips to authorities for action. I'm confident that the study report being launched will give us important national baseline of violence against children and young women. Ladies and gentlemen, as we launch the study report and the response plan today, I want to inform you that police is working around the clock in partnership with the community and all stakeholders to deal with violence against children. The effort is in line with the Malawi police policy of child protection, which aims at contributing towards reducing child rights violations by providing detailed guidelines and procedures to be followed when police officers are handling matters involving children in any capacity. Furthermore, the Constitution The constitutional mandate of the Malawi Police Service is to provide for the protection of public safety and the rights of all people, including children and women. The Malawi Police Service also adopted the community policing meant to promote safety and security through enhanced partnership with the community and all stakeholders. The Malawi Police Service is emphasizing on mainstreaming issues of child protection into community policing structures to assist in the promotion of community safety and security and prevention of violence against children. Our guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, let me seize this opportunity to make strong condemnation of violence against children. Children should grow in the safest environment without any form of violence. On another note, ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask all parents and guardians to take care of their own children. Let us look into after these children. It is our constitutional mandate, but also by biblical requirement on 1 Timothy 5 verse 8, which says, anyone who does not provide for their relatives, and especially their own household, has denied the faith and is worse than an unbeliever. Last but not least, let me reassure all Malawians that the Malawi Police Service shall tirelessly work with you to ensure that children are protected from all forms of violence. I think if I did this question without mentioning the statement of the issue of albinos, I think they are not too good to the Malawians. Let me also take this opportunity to condemn violence against people living with albinism. Albinos are like any other human being. They also have a right to life. Therefore, let's work together to protect the rights of every citizen in this country. Before I conclude, I would ask everybody present here that we should take the message to all our respective places. Because what I've noted here, the number of elderly people, the number is more than the children. Yet we, the parents, the guardians, have got a very big responsibility to look after these young ones. But maybe they haven't come here because of one reason or another. But let's take the message to the parents of these children that we must look after them. These are the future leaders. Let me also emphasize the point of the issue of the albinos. Security in this country is the responsibility of everybody. Of course, I, as Inspector General, together with my fellow police officers, I do appreciate the job that's being done by the community, the church members, the faith members, stakeholders. I'm talking about security stakeholders, and everybody in this country, that we are doing our best, you are doing your best to assist the police. So let us work extra harder so that the issue of albinos, I think, should come to stop. As I mentioned in my statement, the albinos are just like every human being. People have got beliefs that are not the truth. They believe that whenever they use parts of the albinos, they become rich. They are ritual. They use them for rituals, which is not true at all. Let's completely stop this malpractice. Let's completely stop this issue. That's my request to everybody who is here. Let's look after the fellow albinos, our fellow human beings as human beings, because they have the right of life, as everybody knows. With your permission, the guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, may I speak just a few words in Chichewa. Thank you so much. Alendo watu olemegezeka akulu onse amene mubwera pano amene tinakutchulani pano komanso ena mwina ndawayiwala ndikukuthokozani kwambiri komanso nonse kuti kukuthokozani kwambiri kuti ndapezana umwayi wondidala pamalo ngati pano komanso ndimanena kuti ndikuthokozanso Mulungu ndikujoyina ashehe amene amatipempherera pano kuti anatchulaponso mu pemphero lawo kuti tikuthokoza Mulungu kuti alipanga tsiku lino kuti litheke. Pamenepo ndikuwajoyina komanso ndikujoyina nonse kuti tikuthokoza Mulungu kuti dziko lino kuti tsiku la lero lino zatheka zimene tinalinga kuti tipange. Mawu anga mwachidule alendo wathu olemekezeka ndi ena onse anyamata ndi atsikana pamodzi ndi azimayi ndi akuti tiyeni tiwayang'anire ana athu. Ana athu achinyamata, ana athu achitsikana komanso tiyeni tiwayang'anire azimayi komanso ndi anthu ena onse amene amafuna ziyang'aniro kuti chitetezo mdziko muno. Ndizomvetsa chisoni kuti mzibambo wamkulu wa zaka 60 70 nkumagona ndi mwana wa miyezi 3 kapena iwiri kapena wa 1 wiki chifukwa zimenezo zikotha kuchitika ndithu kumupeza mwana wa 1 wiki sayankhula. Nzomvetsa chisoni komanso ndi nkhani wonyansa kwambiri wochititsa manyazi. Ndiye pempho langa ndikuti kwa amene sanabwere pano chifukwa uthenga umenewu sunali wa bwana okhawa iyayi anawa ndiwoyenera kuyang'aniridwa komanso uthenga umene unali kwa akuluakulu amene timachita zinkhanidwe wonyansa azimayi amene amasasamala ana amasiye ma step daughters or step children azibambo amene sayang'anira ana amasiye kapena ana obeza ma step daughters ma orphans ndinasokoneza poyamba ndimati ma orphans kapena azibambo amene satha kuyang'anira bwino ma step sons step children. Tiyeni tionetsetse kuti nkhanidwe umenewu siye osati kuchepetsa iyayi sindinena zochepetsa pano koma kuwusira. Ndiye akuluakulu amene muli pano komanso ndikutenga uthenga umene kwa anthu ena amene sanabwere pano pa zifukwa zina zake zomveka kuti tiyeni tithandizane kuchepetsa nkhanidwe umenewu. Ine ngati Inspector General wa polisi amene ndili mtumiki wanu komanso mogwirizana ndi anzanga onse a polisi mdziko muno ndikuthokoza mtundu wa Malawi pamene timayenda pamene timakhala kuti tikugwira ntchito mogwirizana. Tiyeni tipitirize khalidwe limene lolo akuluakulu m'midzi mwathu mafumu